cousins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new here, I'm Sasha Wanui, and for the returning subscriber, welcome back. Okay, it's Monday and I'm starting the vlog. Yes, so let's see what Monday got for us.
Out, praise the Lord. Children of God,
so guys, this week I have a lot of agenda and I'm really confused because I don't know where to start from. So we want to move out because this house, we have never been comfortable with this house. So this week we want to house hunt so that we can move in May. Yeah. And then this week it's 1 week to my birthday, because my birthday is next week on Wednesday. Then I have that one in my list again. So like now I've just finished my breakfast as I showed you earlier, and now I want to dress and go and see a house in Kilimani. Yeah. So, and I will go with you. So let's go. So that's my full fit. I'm dressed this and my shoes is outside, so my Uber is around, and yeah. So guys, my Uber is there. Let's go and see the house.
Last time tulikuwa na jini liwapelekanga wapi tao?
Ni wewe? I think sijui kama nitawa ama ni wapi.
We're going to do a deadline timeline. Once the unit yeah, so this is a high floor unit. Now, we compare this to the low. Here is the bathroom, here is the master, so you don't get a balcony here. Yes. So this is the two bedrooms. The two bedroom. I didn't get touched, by the way. Wow. There's still likely going to be a dream up here. Yeah.
The view is
Olympics.
Let's go and see the pool. Wait, I see. This is the pool.
Yeah, that's the pool.
Kuwa cheki matanki ya maji. What will be here?
Just a chair. Come and sit here with your boyfriend.
It's wet. It's beautiful.
This is the only one. This is the sabo with the best view.
We don't know. So guys, we are at the location and I want to show you through of the house. It's an open kitchen, which is so beautiful. Yeah, more storage. Laundry area. The view, it's not giving the view. Common washroom. Yeah, there's a bathroom there. And then there's a mirror over here. There's storage over here, which I've asked is what? Yeah, this is the room for guest room. Yeah. And then this one is the master and suit. Yeah, but it looks like ours. Let me see the bathroom. Yeah, you have a bathroom area over here. So I don't know if my shower will fix here. Because, you know, we got a shower, an expensive one. We are bringing them with us. And then there's closet for the master bedroom, which I think it's spacious enough. Then, yeah. Oh, baby, next location. Next location.
Am I a good person?
So you have said that 45 it's include of service?
Yeah,
Service fee. Okay. Oh, but there's construction going on.
Where?
That one.
No, and it's
There's no noise.
Hey,
There's no noise at all.
it is noise.
it's noisy and we work online. Yeah, watu wameshaanza kushabalika. Thank you. Yeah. Let's do quick trap. Feel like crying because me with my 2 fridge. This one is the laundry area. The living room. Chilling balcon. Nasikia kulia.
Well, we have a pantry.
That one is a laundry, not a pantry.
Yeah, so it's a laundry area and a wet kitchen.
Yeah, closet. Yeah.
Extra storage space out there.
For suitcase,
suitcases. Come, look at this. More space out here, space here, space there.
Common washroom. Common washroom. And we have a master bedroom. Ta-da! Up the washroom from the master. Master is in suit. More water. Behind the washroom. The toilet and then the bathroom. Guys, I feel like crying because we are not getting a house. We are not getting a house. See that balcony, the way it's small. See how it's small. I just feel like crying because the place I'm living, I don't like it anymore. I just want to change it. I don't want it. So the showroom. A light. So the mirror there. So where will we put our office?
This is the center of our bed.
The washroom.
Yes?
We can, at least we can follow up on this deal. If we were to close this deal, bro, I'm hoping for us to share.
So my room, this one has a shoe rack. You see, it will be small for us. At least we have saved. And then
It's only fair.
our
but you know,
dining
some people are
area
very
is over
selfish.
here.
Some people are very selfish, man. I don't know. I give a chance to everyone. I give everyone a chance to
Laundry area.
how we are working. We can't continue to work again, you know. Yeah. So
Kitchen. Guys, we are heading home and we have seen like how many houses? 3 houses. Yeah, and we have not found anything that is impressing us, so I don't know. We'll still have to look, cause yeah, we're tired with the place we are living. So hello guys, okay, I'm back from the house viewing, and let me tell you, I didn't like any house. I don't know what's wrong with Nairobi landlords. They are so mean and greedy, because you can't tell me a 45,000 house looks like those houses you have seen in my video. 45,000 are just a kitchen is just like 2 shelves. It looks like my bed sitter that I started life with. Really. Then we went to another one. The first one was Savo. So Savo, I feel like it's giving the hostel. Savo, it's giving hostel. So that's not for me. Then the second one was a house which doesn't have lift, and it's 50,000. Yeah, the second house was 50,000. It doesn't have lift. I can't put my dining. You know, I have a dining for seater. It can't fit. Yeah, the living room was a bit, I think it could fit my sofas. Yeah, but there was no place for dining. Then the kitchen, I liked it because it's an open kitchen. I'm looking for an open kitchen plan this time, so it was nice and it was a bit spacious. Yeah, but no lift. Living room is just, it can fit my sofas, or even I think it's small because there's no dining area. And then the bedroom, they are small, and it's 50,000. It looks just like this house. It's just that my house, it's closed kitchen. Oh, I'm so tired. So tomorrow again, I'm going to house hunt, because I don't want May to find me in this house. So tomorrow again, I'm going to house hunt, and I hope I will get a nice house. Yeah, because for me, I'm looking for a bigger kitchen and a bigger living room, because I have big things and I need a space. Like here, this is the 4th year to live here, so I want a house which I will live for long, not that I will live 2 months again I move because it's uncomfortable or it's small. I just want a comfortable home. Yeah, so I'm not cooking because I'm very tired. I've just get chips and chicken. That's what I'm going to have for dinner. Yeah, I've ordered. I'm waiting it to be delivered just from a restaurant or in our place, and then I shower and sleep. See you tomorrow. Good morning cousin. Okay, it's on Tuesday and the weather is terrible, so I think I'll not go for house hunting, because let me show you. See the weather, it's drizzling, it's raining, it's drizzling, very cold, so I think we'll just stay indoors and try to be productive. Oh, hello cousins. Okay, like I told you before, that the weather is not giving, so I don't think I'll step out. So I just want to do some cleaning in my house. I have a lot of laundry that I have to clean. Then I have to clean my fridge because want to restock. I want to do a restocking, and so I want to clean the fridge. Before we went for vacation, we tried to clear some food, so the one that remain I need to trash because I know it's already spoiled. Yeah, and clean my fridge, and it will be ready for restocking. Okay, so that's what I'll do today. Yeah, I want our plan was to start gym on Monday, which was yesterday, but we are feeling like we are already exhausted in living in this apartment, so we just want to move out, and we are considering maybe when we move out we will find a gym to a place where we will be living, or if we find an apartment that has a gym, that will be an advantage add. So because I just want to be flexible, yeah, that's all that I want. Okay guys, let me go and do laundry, then I'll talk to you. And I don't know, I'm having a tooth pain. Yeah, my teeth will start again. I woke up feeling pain and I don't know it's which one in this side. And the water flows that I bought, it's really helping, because whenever I eat, it's a must I do the flossing. I remove the food that has entered into the holes, because I have a lot of holes. But yeah, I'm still in the process of taking care of my teeth. It's not cheap, yeah, it's expensive, so I'm still in the process. I'm still taking care of it, because I just visited the dentist and I was given a plan. So I just want to like doing root canal of one by one, because I had 10 teeth that has a problem and I've already removed one, so I'm remaining with 9, but I have a one which is up here. When I eat, it's very painful. Everything enters inside them. Oh, it's noisy. My sister is vacuuming, so I will talk to you later.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more.
You see what I was saying? The cucumber has spoiled. Oh, it's very soft. It's watery. Then the apples, like this one, are spoiled. Oh, they're spoiled, all of them, so I'll have to throw them. This one is the vegetables to in the freezer, but I will throw everything and start fresh. My electric jug has spoiled, so I need to buy another one. So I will boil water with my gas. I'll boil water with a pot. This one got spoiled.
I see the fire in your eyes. Don't let it fade, it's time to rise. The world is ours, no need to hide. Let's take the leap and feel alive. We're chasing stars, we're breaking rules. Our hearts are loud, we're no fools. Every moment we're in control. This is our time, this is our goal. Living now, live it loud. Don't let the moment slip away somehow. We're here, we're free, we're strong. Living now and move along. The night is young, the beat is sweet.
I don't know why this one it's not coming out. Since I bought this fridge, I've tried to remove it to remove these shelves. These shelves, then they are not coming out. I don't know why. But the other fridge, this one, my older fridge, it was coming out. This one is not coming out, so I don't know how to clean it. I just watched a video and I was able to I've removed one. I don't know if you can see, I've removed this one. So the video, and it was explaining it. Hear the language that it was explaining with.
Bueno, el día de hoy quiero compartirles una manera de cómo quitar los entrepaños del frigobar Hisense que tengo en la casa. Ya ven que les he
So I couldn't understand the language. I don't know it's Bengali or what. So I just saw the actions because that's what I needed. And now let me do with you. I'll try. You press here, then with here, then you lift. Oops. Let me do here. I hope you are seeing. Okay. You press the outside, then you lift. Oops. I don't know how I did, but I think. Oh my God. You know, he's a man, so he has energy, but for me, I'm a lady. But it's almost coming out. Just like that, I press inside, then I pull. Just like that. Let's see, but it's very hard. Let's see the other one. Since I bought this fridge, we have never removed it to clean because it has been a problem. But now today I've watched removing it, but it needs a lot of pressure, and you be careful so that you don't destroy the fridge. Oh my God. Ooh. Just come out. Yeah, I'm so happy. So today the fridge is going to be cleaned nicely. This one, it's very easy. I think the upper one, it was very good because it was freezer, so I think it was iced. But I left the fridge like 1 hour open so that it melts away. So let's get clean. Yeah, so guys, the fridge is already dry. Let's go and return some parts. And then I've received a call that there's some delivery that I ordered is being delivered. So when they will call me when it has arrived, we will go and buy dinner so that we cook, because I want to make mashed potatoes with beef. That's what we are having for dinner. So let's go.
Smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name.
That's how the fridge is spotless clean. Yeah. Oh my God, I just love it the way it's clean. You see the way it's very clean. I love it. So guys, the delivery is here. Yeah, let's just see. It's a dress I ordered before even vacation, so it has come today. That's how it looks like. Let me try and see. Yeah, so that's the dress. Yeah, I wanted this like for summer dress, but I'll arrive late. Yeah, so that I will still style it in something else. And it looks behind like that. I love it having this slit over here. Yeah, and it's pretty. Hello cousins, welcome to my kitchen. I want to cook, like I told you earlier, mashed potatoes and beef. So my potatoes are here and I'm boiling my beef in the pressure cooker. So let's go. Guys, I'm done cooking. I want to have my dinner and I'll see you. Hello cousins, good morning. It's on Wednesday and I want to do my hair. I want to undo this hair, yeah, so that I can have a fresh one here. So I'm undoing it with you. I'm gonna look for scissors so that I can cut. Also, I'm done cutting it. Wow. So to me from the rising sun to the setting sun. Ooh, 3 hours later. 3 hours later, I'm done. I'm done. Yes. And I'll wash it, but not today. It's still in pain. So I'll just apply treatment and I stay with it, and then I'll wash tomorrow. Maybe 3 hours later, that's my hair. So guys, let me go and do other things because it's 2 p.m. Let me go and do other things and I'll talk to you. Hello cousins, good morning. Okay, I want to make breakfast and today I'm going to do grocery shopping. So I'm getting ready because I don't have anything in this house. Like I showed you last, I was washing my fridge so that it will be clean to receive restocking. So let's make breakfast. So hey cousin, I'm going to the market and I'm bringing you with me, but I don't know if I'll be able to vlog. Maybe little things because I'm bringing my camera. Maybe some little shots, I don't know, but let's go. Guys, the weather is so boring. My God, it looks like it will rain. I'm just scared maybe it will rain on us, and but we'll bring the umbrella because we need just to restock. Today it's market day and there's fresh foods. Yeah, see the weather, see the weather, it's so boring. Yeah.
Basmati rice.
Yeah, 140, 130.
Yeah, 140. Ndo mzuri. Kilo 3. 3 kgs.
Kilo?
Wanogana.
4 kg?
3. Mafuta ya kupika uliandika?
Si ndio ya kwanza. Sasa nimeshasema kila kitu yenye tumeandika. Omo. Ya washing machine. Sunlight ya washing machine. Hizi nimeshasoma sikuona hivi hapa.
Wewe
Ya washing machine.
I think done with that.
Ni nini unashtuka? Hata mimi 35. Hiyo imetosha. Nyinyi mbona mlitaka maziwa mali? Maziwa mali.
Na yogurt.
Sasa unataka
Kwa kuletanga.
unataka mrembo gani hapa?
Haya.
Mrembo gani? Anataka
47.50.
Basi kama unataka biashara unapewa vitu hapa
47.35. Commercial break. Big sausage with samosa. And she's eating chips. guys, okay, I'm back from the market and I did a lot of shopping, so I got tired and I had to relax like 1 hour. Now I want to do a haul with you, and restock whatever I'm having to restock and arrange everything so that I can make dinner. It's already night. I think it's 6, it's almost 7. The weather has been so chaotic, drizzling, raining, sunny. So luckily I finished doing, I think I've done everything. The one that I forgot we will do next time. So we will start with this. I got a box of milk. I got 2 trays of egg. Okay, let's count this now. This one is pineapple punch. We tried it in our vacation. So this is pineapple punch. It's called pineapple punch, yeah. Ice pineapple punch. Then it's got ice cream. It's vanilla and strawberry mixed of Leon's. I normally like to buy this one because it's coming with Maya, Kai. Yogurt yangu imemwagika yote. Yogurt. My yogurt. I got to buy a yogurt, which you see what has happened to it. Yeah, so guys, about that accident, a accident happened. So we have like, this is chicken breast. Yeah, I got the chicken breast. Then I got the burger, beef burger. So this one, you see this mess, again, it's from the yogurt. So this one will just trash because accident do happen. This one we have the chicken gizzard. And then we have the chicken drumsticks. This bio yogurt, the one has paw, but it has paw half. So we still have some. Let's come to this bag. We have 2 mazwa mala. 2 mala, yeah. We have apples. I didn't get to get the apples. We have grapes. We have strawberry. We have 2 peppers. Two pineapples. And we have peas. We have onions. And then we have tomatoes. Yeah, when it's rainy, they say there's normally no tomatoes because this one it's the tomato that I've got, and it was going 3 for 50 shillings. You see, so tomatoes were not there. So I got these 2 mixed vegetables. I got big cauliflower. Yeah. I got 6 cucumbers. So let me clear first here, then we continue with the shopping because it's not yet finished. 2 bags is over. Yeah, so I'm back. Let's continue. Yeah, we have this bag. Hope nothing has spilled. We have yogurt, this one, de la mer. We have honey. We have here, it's turmeric, ginger, beetroot, and garlic for the shots. Let's see. Oh. This one is sausage, beef sausage. We have carrots. We have broccolis. I got lettuce. I got cabbage. Got green bell pepper. Yellow and red peppers. And then this one is spices. I'm so tired. I don't know why. And I've relaxed. This is beef masala, chicken masala, cinnamon, cardamom, and lastly it's ginger. So let's continue. I'm having this box. Oh my god. Oh, this one is from the shop. So this one, we got Happy. No. Vim toilet cleaner. This one is Vim toilet cleaner. I got Vim powder. I got another Vim toilet cleaner. Vim powder for my other washroom. I got Sunlight washing powder. I got the coconut oil. I normally apply this one on my face, so mine, two of them, I got two of them. I got Prestige margarine. I got Rina cooking oil. 3 liters, yeah. Then I got tea bags. This is what I normally use, Kericho Gold. I got ketchup, Heinz ketchup. I got Aramis. Yeah, Aramis petroleum jelly. What is this? This one is Kamande, 1 kg. Lentils, Kamande is lentils. And then this one is rice, 2 kg. I got 3, so I think that one is 2. This one is yellow beans. And oops, I think this one is rice. It's rice and it has already cracked, but it's good. It's on this box. It's only this one which has cracked. So that's all, guys. Okay, let me clean the vegetables, then I stock my fridge, then I'm so tired. Then I'll make dinner. Hey cousins, so I want to make dinner and I'm making chicken breast with vegetables and rice. That's what we're making for dinner. So my chicken breast is here. I've already marinated. Yeah, and then my vegetables and my rice is over here. So hi guys, after breakfast, finished breakfast, and now I have energy. I want to do cleaning of my house, and it's so big, so I'm doing it with my sister. But me, I will clean the bedrooms and the balcony and the master and suite. Yeah, so I want to soak my toilet first, then I start cleaning.
Show me I don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. Ooh, I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body.
So hi cousins, I want to make ugali and mazwamala and a little vegetables because I'm so exhausted. I don't want to cook something that will stress me out. So good morning guys, good morning. It's on Sunday and I've not gone to church. Yeah, yesterday the water in my apartment, there was no water at 8 p.m. and then before even we asked why we don't have water, the electricity went. Yeah, the electricity just went off. We slept without electricity. We have woke up at 7 because we had put alarm. Woke up and got to church. There was no electricity and there was no water. So electricity has come back at 11. I'm really depressed. Let me just tell you the truth. I'm really depressed. I just want to move out. I just want to move out to this apartment. This is enough. We are paying a lot of money and we are suffering. We are suffering in this apartment and enough is enough. Until I'm feeling sickly because I slept at 3, woke up at 7, just wondering. No electricity, no water. Imagine using washroom without water. I think I will sell my items so that even if I get that small house, I'll already sell an item and buy a new one for that small house. I'm tired.